All right, so I actually just sent about 372 amount of pi into the wallet, right? So if you are to check out this particular site, you are going to notice that the current price of pi is actually still ranking about 4390 at this particular moment. So let's go into a quick calculation on this. So I'm going to do 0.4390 multiplied by 370 kind of. So that is currently equivalent, not that bad. It is quite still okay. So the purpose of this particular video and what I want you to see is about the downfall of this particular project and why this is happening currently, why the market is going down. And if your PA is currently locked, I'll tell you why you might not be able to unlock it at this particular time because of the situation of this particular project. Okay, so if you actually have your pi being locked for like 3 years, I know many people have it for 3 years, it's a bad side to you, but it's a good side to this particular project, because if you check out the charts, the reason why this particular project actually came down very massive in the last 1 week was that about 20 million token was actually taken from this particular project. And this is actually going to affect the price as usual, because why will like 20 million token be taken out of this particular project just at once? And if you actually check out from the research I made, the update was actually tracked down to the Pioneer wallet and thereabout. All right, before I continue, remember whatever I'm saying in this particular video is based on my own research, and do well to make your own personal research and invest wisely before you buy any of this particular token, right? So if you actually check out the price and how it has gone for the last few days, you are going to see we have been going down and up, and the highest we've actually gone for a few days now was about, I think, 0.5 thereabout at this particular area, 0.5. And that was a great one, because it has been said that will pi actually ever go back to 0.62, right? So this is kind of possible, but for it to be possible, there should be a lot of orders that are going to actually come into this project to hold for a moment, right? So if everybody that actually have their pi, because everybody just want to dig out of this particular project, nobody actually have too much hope, just the way we have for Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? So if they actually did a very great strategy by allowing us to actually lock our project and not giving all the sign that they are going to be listing. You know, if they actually told us that they are going to be listing at that particular moment that they listed, we are going to like look for a way to actually like not lock at this particular moment, right? So this is one thing you need to know. You are locking by now, and it's actually going to worth it at the end of it, right? So one thing you can actually do at this particular point is looking for a way to bag on this particular project. This is not a financial advice, it's just for information and entertainment purpose only. So I'm bagging more at this particular moment, and let's see how it goes.